In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your payment methods on the Booksy app, whether you're using an iOS or Android device. First, you'll want to open the Booksy app. Once you've done that, if you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your login information. This could be your email address or phone number and the corresponding password associated with your Booksy account. Make sure you're entering the details correctly to avoid any login issues. If you encounter any trouble, there's usually an option to reset your password or request help directly on the login page, which can be a lifesaver. Once you're logged in and have access to your dashboard, it's time to navigate to your profile. Look for the small icon or photo in the top corner. That's where you'll typically find your profile section. Tap on that and a menu will appear. From this list, you want to focus on the payment methods option. This section is key in managing how you pay for services or deposits within the Booksy app, so it's worth getting familiar with. When you tap on payment methods, you'll see options to add a new payment method or manage the existing ones. Let's start with adding a new payment method. You'll see an option labeled Add Payment Method. Tap that and you'll be prompted to enter details of your new credit or debit card. If you prefer to use a mobile wallet and it's available in your region, you can enter those details instead. Be sure to carefully enter your card number, expiry date, and any other required details. Accuracy in this step is crucial, as any errors could prevent future transactions from going through smoothly. Now, switching gears slightly, if you're looking to streamline your payment methods or perhaps get rid of old cards you don't use anymore, there's an easy way to do that too. In the same payment methods section, you'll notice options to remove existing cards. Tap on the card or payment method you'd like to remove. Confirm that you want to delete it, and just like that, it will be removed from your payment options. After you've either added a new method or removed an old one, it's important to make sure all of these changes are saved properly. Usually there's a save or confirm button on the screen. Make sure to tap it because this final step ensures that all your adjustments are stored in the app. Once saved, your new payment method will be used for any future deposits or service payments you make. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to manage your payment methods on the Booksy app. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you today.